Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So Oppo introduced Reno 4, the footballer of Salah edition. Oppo has been partnering with Mohamed Salah, Liverpool FC and Egypt forward, who advertise various phone of the company in the Middle East and Africa region. To thank him of the loyal support, the company is now launching a customized version in as home market meet the Oppo Reno 4 Salah edition. This is a really a great edition. As you can see in these pictures, the Reno 4 is exactly the same on the inside as the regular Reno 4 available on the global market. 6.4-inch OLED Snapdragon 720G with 4G capability and VOOC 4.0 flash charger at 30 watt. The difference is the outside of the phone. It's a painted in dark gray and red with some interesting design accent, including the footballer's autograph. As you can see on this picture, red and black, really great smartphone of the outside. The phone rim a transition between red and dark gray black, and some might say this is in a homage in the Egyptian black, white, red flag. The phone will also ship with the exclusive theme for ColorOS 7.0 with a Salah wallpaper red icon with a slight redesign. Even the contact app has a little move face on it. The Reno 4 Salah edition is available on the Oppo Egypt website with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigabytes of storage for the EGP 6590. That's around $420 for the comparison. The non-pro edition in the glacier blue Egypt $320 plus cheaper. So this is the latest Oppo Reno 4, the Salah edition. Already a great smartphone, and also this footballer is one of my favorite also. So this is the latest information about the latest Oppo Reno 4 Salah edition. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this new Oppo Reno 4, and also like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out and bye.